Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody to our daily video on the gold market. Probably guys you could see that market perfectly has completed the scenario that we have discussed yesterday, although of course we just couldn't foresee the possible missile attack in Syria, but that was become the, as you understand, the major driving factor why the gold market has accelerated to the upside. That's by this action, as you can see, market has shown the breakout of the 1260 area and it's coming closer to our short-term destination point around 1278, 1281. Maybe today it also could be completed, especially if non-farm payrolls release will be worse than expected or flat. Then probably market could show this upward continuation. A bit later we will discuss situation on the intraday charts, because there overall price action looks bullish and some signs point on possible further upward continuation. Here, if you let me, I just bring to sense just brief view on these political events, strike by missiles in Syria. So I just would like to call you, do not believe to mass media propaganda that right now stands in the internet and on the TV. So it's very frustrating. Conclusions were made from this strike. So many people right now talk that this was an attempt by the Trump to show the strength of the Xi Jinping in the negotiation process. So it's absolutely absurd. In general, I just would like to say that policy and political games are very thin material, and it's every time this is not, in fact, the thing stands as not as you could see it in the mass media. So I think that this event stands in a row with the event of the hidden Russian plane by the Erdogan. So that was not the just obvious event. So on the TV you see that the Turkish plane has hit the Russian plane, and that was the really big event that some really drastic consequences should follow after that. But as you can see, as a result, Erdogan has destroyed the people who would like to take the governing on in Turkey, so it was preventing the collapse inside the country, and that is made by the help from the Russians. So as you can see, this scenario, this event that has happened yesterday is this event of that sort. This is not just an attack on the Syria aircraft base. So there are some more events stand beyond this event, beyond this one. That's why I do not believe in obvious conclusions that will make this escalation on the war between the Russia and the United States. That's all this stuff is just madness. So just keep watching what's really will happen. So, but as this event just has happened, so probably this overall tensions around it will lead to some continuation on the gold market. That's why if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have. Upward breakout, now a morning star pattern that we discussed yesterday has worked pretty nice. So market right now stands above the upper border of this flat consolidation. What's more important here is that market is not returning back inside of it. So this is not the failure breakout. This is true breakout. The market stands above the upper border. It means that upward continuation is very probable. Following the classical approach, the target estimating, we should measure the width of this channel, of this flat consolidation, and count it in direction of the breakout. As a result, guys, we've got 1280, 1281, the same target that we have on the daily chart, this target of this butterfly. This is the first bullish sign that we have on the technical picture. On the hourly chart, guys, as you can see, our butterfly works pretty nice. So 207 has been completed, but since this upward action was tremendously fast, usually it leads, when we're dealing with the butterfly, to the continuation. And the target of this butterfly still stands at 1272. It's next destination point. Also, we have here ABCD pattern inside of it, and that could lead market to 1618 extension 1274. That will be next destination point on the hourly chart. So both of them suggest a further upward continuation. Here we even probably could take into consideration some large ABCD pattern, maybe this one. As you can see, this could become AB leg. So the CD leg also has been completed, as you can see. This ABCD has hit the target, so market could spend some time here for making reaction on the completion of the intraday targets. But then it's very probable that upward action will continue and market still will reach the 1280 area. Maybe even today, if non-farm probable, this will be not very positive.